What's going on, everyone? My name is Nicholas Merton here at DataDash, and today is April 8th of 2022. Well, folks, I hope you all are having a fantastic day wherever you are. And in today's video, I thought I'd do a real quick update as I'm attending Bitcoin Miami 2022. It's been an extraordinary time so far as we're getting towards the close of the conference here. But I thought I'd do not only a quick short-term update on the market, but also tell you guys a little bit about my thoughts on the conference versus last year and how it kind of defines or characterizes the macro environment for crypto. So first up, on the short-term moves in the market, I want to let you guys know that not too worried. I understand we had a little bit of a pullback over the past couple days, but as we talked about in the previous video, we've been looking to see Bitcoin come down, make support on this previous range of resistance that held back price over the past year. So we're going to have to see whether or not Bitcoin really drops much lower. I think that we're going to be holding out around this range quite well. And it's because you've got a lot of solid macro developments. You've got some of the news coming out as of recent that Mexico may be taking Bitcoin as legal tender. All kinds of different developments going on that has been talked about here at the conference. A lot of other major partnership announcements as well from major Fortune 500 companies getting involved in crypto. But putting all of that aside, right, all the kind of noise and all the shorter developments in this case, I want to go ahead and talk about the sentiment, the feel of the conference, because just like last year, what I saw was a matching of the kind of vibe or energy of the conference with price. We had just set in all-time highs back during the previous Miami conference and had a little bit of a correction, but again, had just still been in that kind of hot-headed mentality that crypto markets were here to stay, they were going to keep rallying, things were going to just keep being good, and the conference was just absolutely insane. This year, we've got probably the same, if not more people here at the Bitcoin Miami conference, but the attitude is much more calm, it's much more collective, it's not fearful, it's not bearish, but it's also not parabolic and euphoric. It's much more neutral, much more calm and collective. And you can see here, and I think this kind of puts things into perspective for those of you who might be worried about the recent volatility, the people are staying here and they're building. And it's not just the previous companies that you guys might know about today, but you've got dozens of other well-established companies that are also getting involved in the space, that are growing in major user count, are growing in assets under management, servicing new users. And it's just really exciting to see the kind of optimistic, kind of neutral trend here. There's not a lot of noise, but a lot of building and a lot of preparation behind the scenes for the next wave. So I know I'm keeping the video short. You guys know I like to ramble on, so I'm going to try to do you guys a good one here and try to keep it short. But I'm sorry for those of you guys who couldn't come to Bitcoin Miami. It was a good conference. You didn't miss too much in this case. Don't worry. If you're in the crypto market, if you're on the long-term ride, I think you'll have a great time overall. And I definitely recommend if you guys can make it out next year, would love to see you guys. We're going to try to make it out to the next one as well. But there's a lot of great companies, a lot of great people. Thanks to all of you as well who reached out to me and said hey and that you follow the channel. I appreciate it. But until the next video, everyone, see you all in the next one. Take care, everyone.